unbelievable.
Jonah the scientist.
Oh, it seems like, huh?
Wala naman dinosaur.
Color of the rock is like pigmented. That's why the color of the water also like tinted.
When the dinosaur moved.
I need to explain it to me.
So, ang Oriental and Occidental, pantay ba talaga sila ng ahati? Sabi mo nakahati sila eh.
Ano tayo?
Same size. I don't know guys if same size, but oh my god.
Same measurement ba
size
talaga yun?
Let's remember the history.
Ito, history to. Magaling siya sa history.
Sige,
Puro
go.
history.
Sige, go.
Kalimutan ko na.
Same size ba sila?
No, it's not, I don't know if same size. I never ever study about the size.
Ay!
Iba yan.
Sinusukot lang yung privately.
When I look at it, it's too wide. Yeah, Negros Oriental and Occidental is.
Dapat question mark mo muna yun.
Are they equally measured?
For sure no. Let's go.
I
Check
don't-
the Google Map.
Maybe they're equally measured because if not,
There's a
somebody
fight.
will
There's a
complain.
war.
Oh, yeah, there's
Ay!
a war.
It's a war?
I don't know, but
Parang ito na yun.
Negros Oriental it is
No, I think this one is much more bigger. As the police told me, like this is the how is it, the central. So for sure this one is bigger than the
no.
Occidental.
Occidental has
Ayan na.
Occidental.
Okay,
Charot.
1 minute para sa'yo. Isang minuto.
Occidental has a central too, and here in Negros Oriental we also have central, which is Dumaguete. That is our capital. It seems as Manila, like it is Luzon, right? So the capital is like it is Philippines, and our capital city is Manila. It seems as like that.
Yeah, I just didn't know that this is part of Negros.
Yeah,
I
because
searched the Google Map.
because Jonah and Jaja, it's okay, thought about like this island's entire Dumaguete, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I never thought that this is Negros Oriental. Then I don't know that there's Occidental.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Their
And
language is different, like
Uh-huh.
Ilonggo.
I can explain.
Nasaan yung equator?
Free language, like something like Bisaya, Ilonggo, and Karaya. So that's why my teacher told me like in
Oh,
Negros,
yeah, Negros.
in Negros Island there is
Ilonggo
3
sila.
languages. So I was wondering what kind of languages we have because I only know Bisaya and Ilonggo. Then she said Karaya is part also of Negros Island.
Oh, I don't understand that. Ang hirap na nun.
Hirap talaga. I think Negros Oriental is consists of 21 cities, I think, if I still remember.
How many city?
21, I think. And we have, I don't know how many cities. Less than 10. Dumaguete City, Tanhay City, Bai City, Bayoan City, Canlaon City.
In Occidental?
Oriental.
Oriental.
5, 4.
Account
Tapos na.
It's your turn.
Teka lang po.
Kuya, pwede pa.
Sorry guys, hindi ako nakatira dito.
Copyright. Isang minuto para kay
Gulo-gulo.
Jonah.
Okay, doon na. Go. 1, 2, 3.
So, eto na guys. Papunta lang kami ng Valencia.
English, walang Tagalog.
Ay!
English yung mga ano natin.
So guys, we're just going Valencia. We're having tour guide. Tour guide?
Tour loading.
Tour loading. Now we're
Actually,
just
my head is
renting.
aching so much.
Okay.
Okay.
Wala
tapos
pang
na.
isang minuto yun ah. I'm no comment.
It's been 2 years and I studied about the municipal cities because I was in tourism management course, so yeah, we studied everything about Negros.
Wala. Sumuka.
Uy, sumuka?
Oh my gosh. Wala sila. Bakit kaya? Ba't wala? Busog daw. Baka busog daw ang monkey. Basta wala. Ang hirap na
Ganon.
pupunta rin sila pag gutom.
Pag gutom, baka tayo na yung wait.
Sige. Bakit ako?
kayak na nasa river.
Uy,
River
wag!
Hindi ko pa na-try yan.
Wag! Kasi ano?
Ang lakas.
Masasakyan.
Basta Pagsangan Falls,
Oo.
di ba may kayak sila
Oh, madami na kayang na-aksidente nun.
dito na tayo.
Yung kayak sa ano? Sa river.
Okay lang yan. Maintindihan mo din.
Guys, so we are just guessing or asking questions about why they call it Red Rocks and why the mountain is smoking and why the water is like hot.
There is a
Like it looks like a spring. Spring water. Bro, di ba? Pumunta na yung laway ko sa ano.
Totoo talaga mga
Tingnan mo, 5 minutes ka na nagsasalita. All the way. All the way down.
Kasi ano,
Let's look. So guys, we're now in our last destination, which is
Not last. Meron pang museum.
second to the last. Ano tong tawag dito? Forest camp.
Yeah.
Ang cute ng bikini food. They have this, but they have this also.
Pero siguro mahirap.
No more water, no more fish. Waterfalls. Well, well, well. Cold pot.
Yeah, this is cold pot. Ay, tilapia yun.
Tilapia.
Akala ko yung nangangain ng ano.
Let's go, baby.
Ganyan. Huwag na nag-picture dito. Mas madami ng para sa akin.
Go, baby, go, go, go. Go, baby. Ano yun? Nasabi.
Sobrang lamig talaga. Mag-base na lang. Mag-base ako ng ibang screenshot. Di ba?
Wala, nagtarong ba? Sa baba, para di makita ang kuwan ba?
One picture. Lagay din sa forest.
Yung maternity dito ko, nahan talaga dito.
Pag mag-forest ka din.
Oh my gosh, they have this also. Hoy, masaya kaya yan? Masaya to.
Mommy, I want to hide, please.
Our outfit for today, going to museum.
Hello!
Yalay, what's your outfit for today?
Charot! Japanese.
O, ano ba yun? Na-stuck ako.
Ano?
Ano ba yun?
Ni hao.
Nihaw. Nakinihaw ka. Parang masarap yung nihaw. Ay, inihaw pala.
Inihaw pala yun. Ano pala yun? Parang masarap yung nihaw. You can pwede siya sinakain dito. Tapos picturean mo.
Gusto mo? Picturean kita. You will like it.
During the war.
You will like it.
Yes, I like it.
Napakaluma na talaga. Ito yung mga ginagamit.
What is this, Belle? Ay, hindi.
Maybe you're in there.
Oy, gusto dito ni Aaron pumunta.
Gusto niya yung ganito?
Oo.
Puntahin mo yan dito.
Punta siya mag-isa nga.
At saka tingnan mo yung mga
Pinag-isa.
gallons nila. Ano pa yan, metal?
Ano talaga, no? Like, preserve talaga nila, no? Kahit makalawang.
Ano kayong mga bomb? Tingnan mo yung mga bomb.
Ang gara naman yan. Wow.
Ano ba yung pinunta mo?
Those are the bombs. Big Mama Bomb. Ang laki naman nito. My goodness.
Bato, mesos. Teka lang.
Bam.
Mama bomb.
That's the Mama Bomb, no? Oh, nice.
Tingnan mo yung
The ones that I unearthed already is rotten. Because I was just picking up their bones, their bottoms under dog tags.
So they're just from the say this from the how to say
Pero Hirohito of Japan surrendered on September 2, 1945.
wow.
And the Japanese assigned here, they surrendered 20 days later, September 22. That is the American Enfield 1917 rifle used in the First World War. When America joined the First World War.
Grabe yung ano nila yung ganito pang
That's the bayonet.
They or make sure that the person is the people is dead.
Oh, it's so amazing.
Person is dead. Hindi ba ito sa vlog?
That was my mom before. Ratatatatatatat.
Yeah. Also, my mom, if she get mad, she's like a machine gun.
That's all Filipino mothers.
Especially if you're against them, the parents.
Sina all. Kinukulit nila. Grabe talaga, oh. Yun yung mga ginagamit ng mga Japanese para patay talaga yung tao. First World War. That's why it's more... Your helmet is the helmet, guys. Good. Good, Left yung Caribbean.
The very first iron.
Bomb. For rocket. This is from the plane, right? Like, not ordinary for
Okay, ito. Pwede ba ito hawakan?
Di ano ba yun? Old Coca-Cola. Di ba yung Coca-Cola dati may... Sino makapag-explain siya kung ano yun? Like magazine lang.
Antidote.
Hands off.
Ayun, wala na.
Naabutan ni
It was demonetized in January of 1990.
Uy, oo, may mga ganyan pa kami dati.
Yung dati na may ano, vegetable at saka shrimp. Sabi ni mama, o yan yung ulam natin.
The one to the right is the
Japanese.
Oh my gosh. Nag-cross-palm na kasama. Sinusundan.
Patay ng mga may...
Is that scary?
So,
Is that scary?